Why did engineers build this road this way?
Hi, I am Sukhvinder Singh, a civil engineer. Today I am cycling to a newly constructed four-lane highway in Nepal to explore the engineering behind it. But keep in mind, safety always comes first, no matter where you are on a construction site or on a bike ride.
On the surface, every point of this highway appears to be well designed with future traffic in mind. But after looking closely at the road and its structures, one question came to my mind. Why is this newly constructed highway already showing so many problems? Let's start with culverts. A culvert is one of the most important structure on a highway. Its role is to carry water safely under the road and protect the highway from water damage. While looking at these culverts, I noticed the first and fourth culverts are almost level with road surface and appear to be covered only by the bitumen concrete. The second and third culverts appear to be about 250 mm to 300 mm below the road surface. So why these culverts appear to have different slab levels? Was this part of design or is there another engineering reason behind it? But without the approved drawings, we can't determine the exact reason. Now take a look at this wall. It has completely collapsed. One possible reason is lateral earth pressure from the backfill soil. You can also see that the paver blocks have settled along the edge wall. If water entered the gaps, hydrostatic pressure could also have increased the load on the wall. Another thing I noticed is that the wall does not appear to have support from the back. A wall can collapse for many different reasons. These are just some of possible engineering explanation, not the exact cause. Now look at this drain. It was raining during my visit, so I had a chance to see how the drainage system works. The drains were carrying the rainwater away from the road, which is good sign. However, I also noticed a few sections where rainwater was not draining properly. If rainwater is not removed quickly, it can seep into the pavement layers, reduce the strength of the road. This is the most important part of the highway, this drainage channel. It plays a critical role in managing rainwater runoff, ensuring that water is quickly carried away from the road. By doing this, it protects the pavement from water damage and extends the life of the highway. This is a brick masonry median nose. It helps guide vehicles and protects the start of the median from direct vehicle impact. However, I noticed that this feature has not been provided at every median opening. I am curious to know the engineering reason behind this. Is it based on traffic movement, design standards, or site conditions? I also noticed a few cracks on the new bitumen concrete. Cracks can develop when the pavement is subjected to settlement, movement in the underlying layers, traffic load, or water infiltration over time. From the subgrade to the pavement surface, each layer becomes more expensive to construct. That's why proper compaction and accurate leveling are critical. If either is not done properly, the road can get damaged over time. But I have a question. Why was the top layer of bitumen concrete not extended all the way to drainage channel? I did really like to know the reason. If you have any ideas, please let me know in the comments. Why was this done this way on the road?